Yeah, so discharged from hospital, in the hotel at the Gold Coast for the next 2 weeks. Friend Trudy just helped me drop all my stuff off. Looks like it's a pretty decent bed. I just paid the 2 and a bit weeks out of my own pocket rather than asking DVA, and I'll make them reimburse it at some point. But I am on the 3rd floor with stairs, so that's fun getting up and down. There must be about, I don't know, 30 stairs between me and the car, but the physio wanted me doing stairs anyway, so I will just get up and down those stairs for my exercise every day. I bought a wheelchair because the boyfriend and I were going to Pride at the end of the month, World Pride in Sydney, and obviously with lots of drunk handsy people around, it seemed like a bit of a recipe for me to get knocked around and hurt too easily. So even though I don't need a chair to be mobile, it's just safer while we go down there for me to have a chair. So I got that today before I left the hospital. I'll use that as sort of a trolley and a walking frame when I need it to get around in the meantime, and high risk situations just to sit in it. Swelling and bruising is pretty average. Everything's a little bit bruised. That hip's getting pretty badly bruised. That's probably the most annoying bit now. And I don't have heaps of access to ice here, so it's a bit stingy and owy, but I'll do my best. So yeah, what else is happening today? There is like a gym and stuff here. I haven't had the energy to get out and sort that out. Boyfriend dropped past on his way to Brisbane for his big exam, so that was a big morale boost to the day. Love seeing him. Yeah, so good luck for him. Everyone wishing good luck for his exams Friday, Saturday. What else? Yeah, I'm pretty sore. They gave me a little go bag with pretty much just trying to squat and grab stuff. Oh yeah, what do we got? Endone, I think, just, I don't think there's much in there. 20 tablets, 5 milligrams, oxycodone, instant release, immediate release. My friend Trudy's just going to get me some groceries and stuff now. She's grabbing my aspirin, but other than that, that's like it for breakthrough pain meds. And I get her to get me some laxatives and stuff too, because with my guts all chopped up and stuff, I just need to keep passing stuff out, because if I have to push too hard, then I end up with a hernia, and we don't want that. So it's just better to have the laxatives going. Is what it is. What else has happened today? That's like pretty much it. Just discharge, get set up at the apartment. That's pretty much used my whole energy up, especially with those stairs. So that's gonna pretty much be me for today. Set up a little workstation, and then I can start editing down old footage and videos and give some backstory. Or more context to the journey I've been on so far. Stuff from Phuket, like training in Thailand, at Tiger Muay Thai more recently, and then I've got the old army pictures and videos and backstory I can add into that as well. The road so far. Anyway, I'm ranting, sorry, I'm sore. I rant when I'm sore. I'm just trying to stretch the painkillers out as much as possible, because I've got a finite amount, so I keep them for when I really need them. Cool. I'll give you an update tomorrow and hopefully start doing some stuff. I'll go check out what sort of gym facilities they got here. I don't need much. I'm only going to be doing very, very basic assessments of like what I can actually lift and move safely so far. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow.